Good morning. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we have a package from Angela at My Precious Yarnery I almost said Alaska, not Alaska, in Canada. And I know what it is, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the thing. When Angela, let's just look at it first. I opened it because, you know, it's hard to open these packages. Paw Ply Yarn. Paw Ply Yarn. I got two. I have two of them. Paw Ply Yarn. How exciting. Okay, and look what she did. She put little yarn, stitch markers. I'm so excited, I can't think. So she put the little stitch markers on here too. Isn't that precious? So sweet. Okay, Paw Ply Yarn. I got Paw Ply Yarn. This is called Precious Violet, 100% superwash merino, 100 grams, DK. Doesn't say the yardage on here. I think 235-ish for 100 grams of DK. I don't know, I'll have to find out. I'll find out. But you can wash it and don't dry. Tumble, you're not allowed to dry. So lay flat to dry. Man, I'm having a rough time this morning. So you can see the beautiful yarn. It's got the black through it. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. When a few months ago, man, it's been just exciting around here this morning. So a few months ago, Angela started selling the Paw Ply yarn. And they created a special line just for her, and it's called the Precious line. Well, as soon as she showed these, I had to snag a couple of them. I just love the way that looks with the black going through it. And then there's a little bit of the lighter color there. There you can see the little bit lighter. Can you imagine how gorgeous this is going to work up? So, so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. All right. So, of course, it feels wonderful on your skin. Of course, it smells good. All the things. I got Paw Ply yarn. So excited. Okay. But here's the weird thing. When I ordered this from her, all kinds of stuff in here. When I ordered this from her, and I paid for it with PayPal. And apparently PayPal had my home address instead of my Texas address. So it got sent here home in a long time ago. I don't even know when. Is there even a date on here? In March, the beginning of March. And so I wasn't at home and I'm like, ah, my yarn. And then we ended up coming home, so I got to have it anyway. I didn't think I was going to be able to get it until maybe the end of summer. But, so my yarn got sent here, and I was still down there. So I was very sad. So when you get something from Miss Angela, you get one of her cute little business cards. And you get a little card with a note. And my note says, "Dear Robin, thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy your yarn. Angela at My Precious Yarnery." Oh, and a calendar. Very cute. 2022 calendar. My Precious Yarnery. Made with love. We are winging it here. That's the truth. And then there's a little handwritten note in here. Let's see what the handwritten note says. "Dear Robin," that's me. Okay, this is weird. It says, "Dear Robin, we found your package opened on our property. Hopefully it is still intact for you. Here's to still having good people in this world. Your friends." And then it's got the name of the street it was delivered to. So that means when this package was delivered somebody stole it off of the porch. Yep, I can see now. They stole it off of the porch, they sliced it open, saw it was yarn, and chucked it in someone's front yard. Wow. That blows my mind. Not the fact that somebody stole it, but oh my gosh. Yeah, you can totally see. You can totally see where they sliced it open. And then this lady goes out to her front yard and sees this pretty pink package laying there, opened with the yarn still in it. How lucky am I? That blows my mind. That blows my mind. And yeah, I am very thankful there are still good people in this world. So she just took my name off the package, Robin, and put that little note in there, sealed it back up, and put it back on the front porch. Wow. I'm kind of stunned. I mean, first of all, the fact that somebody would steal it, open it, and just throw it away. And second of all, that somebody found it in their yard and didn't just keep it. I mean, you guys know this is very high-end yarn. And you guys know. I can't. I'm just stunned. I'm very, very thankful and very grateful. And whoever you are, heartfelt thanks to you. Unbelievable. So, I will get to enjoy my Paw Ply yarn for multiple reasons. Thank you guys ever so much. We'll see you later. And guys, keep tuned. We've got some big news coming. See you soon. Bye-bye.